Imagine you see two rooms. One is mostly white, pretty plain. The other one, splash full of color. Which one makes you go, ooh? When a client comes to you wanting a showstopper, something rich, something bold, something that earns that exact reaction, two answers come to mind: Arabescato Rosso and Norwegian Verde. If you had to choose between the original Mona Lisa and an AI-generated painting, you'd choose the one that is one of a kind. These two stones stand out exactly because their beauty isn't uniform. It's intentionally unpredictable and could never be replicated. Arabescato Rosso is defined by its bold burgundy base, cream, white, and gray veining that moves through the slab like flowing ink. With similar veining, but a different palette, the Norwegian Verde is a striking forest green stone with dramatic white and gray veins. No two pieces ever repeat the same pattern, which makes every application feel less like selecting material and more like commissioning a work of art. Whether it's countertops, feature walls, it instantly anchors a space with both elegance and intensity, proving that luxury doesn't have to play it safe to feel refined. If someone asked you, hey, where'd you get that bag? Would you just go, I don't know, it's just a bag? Or would you rather share a unique story of your travels? Arabescato Rosso originates from northern Italy's Lombardy region, while Norwegian Verde hails from its namesake, Norway. It isn't just material sourcing. It's cultural lineage. Marble has shaped everything from ancient temples to Renaissance sculptures. Each piece is formed over millions of years under conditions of intense heat and pressure. Extracted from quarries straight from the source, proof that there's nothing quite like the real thing. How often do you walk into a room that stays rent-free in your head after? Probably not that often. Another bedroom, another bathroom. There's just nothing to process or remember. Nothing's new. Interiors have trended towards ultra minimal palettes, whites, grays. There is, of course, something to be said for a clean, minimal space. But when your customer starts craving more color, more depth, more life, these are the two stones that will definitely make you stay a while. Both Arabescato Rosso and Norwegian Verde feature in 4 honed designs by Dual Set Tile: 2x2 squares, grand sticks, 12x24 field tile, and a molding liner to match. Whatever style you choose, these tiles are sure to make a dramatic impact and bold statement in your space. I mean, come on, just look at them.